both seeks to balance China's rise. Both seeks to manage China's rise on one hand and US-China rivalry on the other. And US-China rivalry on the other. ठीक है, यानी कि एक तरफ यूएस और चाइना की राइवलरी है, एक तरफ देयर इज एन इशू इंडिपेंडेंटली चाइना इज राइजिंग. So independently when China is rising, India and EU is trying to create a counterbalance. तो balance of power का concept चल रहा है. And when US is also there and China is also there and there is a rivalry, especially China के साथ there is complex interdependence both of India as well as EU. In that way they are trying to navigate somewhere in between the US-China rivalry also. Right? लिखो next point. Thus India-EU partnership serves as Thus, India-EU partnership serves as hedging strategy in global geopolitics. Serves as hedging strategy in global geopolitics. How it is creating a strategic hedging? So, we all know कि India EU की मदद ले रहा है in order to counter China. EU इंडिया की मदद ले रहा है in order to counter China. Both of them are into strategic hedging. As far as EU and US is concerned, we also know that US and EU are very close to each other. If we want to have a greater outreach to US or at least be in always in good books to US, तो US के allies से अच्छी बातचीत करनी है. This also creates an idea of strategically hedging on EU as far as India is concerned. So अगर क्वेश्चन आता है कि हाउ बोथ ऑफ देम आर नेचुरल पार्टनर, दिस इज द रीजन दे आर नेचुरल पार्टनर. दोनों ही बोथ इंडिया एंड EU आर टेकिंग फॉरवर्ड स्ट्रेटेजिक हेजिंग एज फार एज बोथ ऑफ देम आर कंसर्न. राइट, नेक्स्ट लिखेंगे थ्योरी.